add mega menu to your Shopify store. If you are looking for a mega menu, then this video is for you. In this video, I have used a completely free method and can be integrated to anything, whether it's free theme or it's paid theme. You are able to integrate this mega menu, which has very nice feature. You are able to add four columns and image with a trust package over here, and it's completely free to use. You are also able to add the featured product and add the highlight like or new and some other custom highlights. You are able to change the colors. And if you are looking for this mega menu, this video is for you. Please watch full video step by step. You will get all the information how you will be able to customize or add this mega menu on your desktop version, and it will also work on your mobile version. Okay, so if I click it, the mega menu will get opened on the mobile version as well. So it's pretty easy to add and integrate within any theme. So first thing first, let's head over to Shopify admin and let's get started. So this is our Shopify admin. This is the home page. What we have to do, we have to click on this online store button and it will load all the themes of our Shopify store. So once all the themes get loaded, click on this three dot and then duplicate a theme. I already duplicated a theme. It's always important to duplicate a theme without before using any coding work, because if you add any incorrect line of code, your theme might get stale. So what you have to do, you have to simply publish this backup copy of theme. So once you create a duplicate copy, click on this three dot and then click on this edit code button. Once edit code button is clicked, it will open the theme editor file. Okay, let's get code. We have to wait for 1 to 2 seconds so that we get. Okay, so now the theme editor gets loaded. Click on this section part and then right click on it. Then there is an option for new file. Simply click on this new file and you have to add this within this section part, section fold. Okay, so you can write it like mega menu dot liquid. You can write any name at this prefix like dot mega menu, but dot liquid extension should be same and without any character mistake. Okay, hit the enter button and it will add the lang file and where we will put our all the magical code of mega menu. So what I have to do is we have to go to this website. This is our website and I will leave its link within the YouTube video description so that you can copy the link from there. Uh, when you are over here part, simply click on this copy code. Anyways, I have explained all the mega menu in this blog post quite easily so that you can read that document as well. But if you are following into the video, you do not need to read it. Just paste the code, all the copy code, and then hit the save button. Once we hit the save button, it will add the mega menu to our Shopify store. What we have to do, we have to click on this Shopify icon and then the customize theme. It will open our Shopify customization settings. Okay, so the theme customization settings get open. What we have to do firstly we have to disable this default header. Click on this head section and then search for mega menu. Okay, so the mega menu with a header has been added. Right now we have to click on this and then we have to drag it to the top just below the announcement bar. Okay, so right now its position is correct. Let me scroll down, switch off my credits. If I scroll out, there is an announcement bar. If you want to keep this announcement bar, you can keep it. But if you want to use your theme default announcement bar, just disable this announcement stream. Okay, so our mega menu has been added. From now, I will guide you how you are able to customize this mega menu with all the features. Okay, at left side, we have an option to add our logo. If I scroll down, there is an option to add the logo image of your brand. So you can simply upload it and attach the image over here. If I scroll to the top, there is an option for the announcement strip. Like if you want to use your own theme announcement, you can ignore strips 1, 2, and 3 items. Let's scroll down. There is an option for the like the setting of the announcement bar background, which we have already ignored it. So if I scroll down the logo option, if you do not have your logo, you can write simple name over here. For an instance, let me write my brand name for brands. Okay, so it's gets added over here. So if I scroll down, there is an option for this heading bar height. So let me adjust to its heading, and then we are able to make some alignments. And you can plug and play with it according to your business requirements. It's quite easy to manage all these settings. What we have to do is let's move to the main part, which is the menu item. Like this shop belongs to this menu item. Right now, it's showing four columns: one, two, three, and the four columns, and then the pages over here. What we have to do, we can customize this from there, like products. If I set it to products, products will start getting shown over here. Here we are able to paste the link if you have any link. If you want to add any badge like the sale badge, simply select the sale badge will get starts showing over here. Right now, they set it to none. If you want to highlight it, simply enable it and your menu item will get highlighted. Okay, then it's asking for the drop down type. What should be the drop down type? Like it should be a mega menu. Right now, mega menu is enabled. If you simply click on the link option and you have to provide the link over here, then a mega menu will get removed. Even the drop down menu will get removed. But right now, just select. If you select simple drop down, it will show the drop down just like our default theme. So let's switch back to the mega menu. And right now, the mega menu option is enabled again. If I scroll down, there is an option for the SQL dropdown. Uh, you have to select this option from here and then assign its link to here. So right now, mega menu is selected. You have to scroll down. You have to make all the settings from here. Okay. So right now, it's asking for the column layout. Right now, four column layouts are showing. If I select into three columns, it will show three columns. Like our first one is over here, second and third column. So it will not exceed than the three columns. Similarly, you are able to make all the adjustments according to your business requirements. And if you set it to four column, now this one, it will show the four columns and the last will be the wider one. But if you want all four equal columns widths, simply select this one and we will see this fourth column is adjusted according to the spacing of the layout. Okay, if I scroll down, then it's asking for the column one. And if I scroll down to column two, if I scroll down column three, and then the column 4, which is our last one. So this is the first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. And if I scroll down, it's asking for the badges, just like this one. Okay, so this is quite easy to manage. I have explained the general view. So let's customize the first column. Right now, it's set to linked list. This one, the linked list. If I set into empty, it will not show any link. Okay, so the shop by category column has been removed. So if I set it to promo image, it will show the image over here. And if we scroll down, there is an option to add the image. And then we are also able to assign its link. So the image has been added. If I scroll up and set it to like featured product, right now nothing is showing. We have to, it's because the no featured product is not assigned. So simply select any product that you want to assign to that part. Simply select this one. And now we see the featured product has been added. Similarly, we have to customize the column 2, column 3, and column 4. So if we select, let's customize the column 2, which is a linked list. This is a linked list, which is a menu list. Uh, from here, we were able to make its heading adjustment like shop by style. We are able to make adjustment from here. If I scroll down, there is an option to change its link. You can copy this link from your collections. It's very easy to copy the links from the collections. So for an instance, if you have need guidance, let me show you. You have to open any collection. It will get load. Okay, so once it gets load, click on this collections, open any collection. Like I will open this women collection. And if I scroll to the bottom of the this page, click on this edit, and there is an option for the collection handle. You can simply copy it and then you have to paste it over here in the similar pattern like this one. This way, the right collection is assigned to all these links. Similarly, if I scroll down, there is an option for making the third column. Like if you want to make it like the promo image, the promo image will start showing on the third image, third column as well. And similarly, on the fourth column, you are able to make the adjustment. So this is quite easy and interesting to manage. If I uh, go to this parent container and scroll to this bottom, there is an option to make the mobile drawer slides from the right or slides from the left. Right now, I selected it slide. And if I scroll to the mobile version and click on it, the mobile dryer will get a slide from the right side. I would suggest to make it to the left because at right sometimes there is a card dryer settings. So if I scroll down, there is an option to make some adjustments in site weddings, next content clips, and if you need any custom help, you can always reach me out. So here we are able to make some color adjustments. And if we scroll above, there is an option for the trust row. If you disable it, like at the bottom, it's showing. If we disable it, it will disable the trust row. Okay, so if we scroll up, there is an option for the show recycle. You can disable it. We can enable the wishlist icon, but make sure your wishlist ad should be installed. Okay, if we scroll up, there is an option for disabling this search bar, the sticky settings, and this is an option for Mega Menu drop-down style fields. Like right now, a full width or full width is showing. If I select this to 400px, it will make its width small. So like this showing broken because fourth column has been added, which is not enough for this space. So always select this option. If we scroll up, there is an option to change the font size, font weight, and some spacing adjustment. So this is the quick tutorial on how you are able to add mega menu without using any app and without using any weird custom section. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks so much.